Project integration management. What happens? Let us take an overview of all the processes of integration management knowledge area, that is, how they interact with each other. Our first process is develop project charter. This process creates the project charter, and this is a key project document. This charter document names the project manager and authorizes the project manager to start the project. Also, this project document authorizes the project manager to apply organizational resources to the activities of the project. We take this project charter and move to the next process of develop project management plan. This process creates the project management plan, or in short PMP, iteratively. The output of this process is, of course, as I said, the project management plan, and it contains a combination of all other plans from other knowledge area, that is, scope management plan, schedule management plan, cost management plan, risk management plan, resource management plan, etc. All these plans, which are coming from other knowledge areas, are part of this consolidated project management plan, and when they are part of it, they are called as the subsidiary plan of the project management plan. And this plan is iteratively developed. Next, we take the project management plan and move to the next process of direct and manage project work process, or in short, the DMPW process. This process executes the project management plan, and this process creates the deliverables. Project is all about deliverables. As I have said earlier, project is about deliverables, program is about benefits, and portfolio is about meeting the strategic business objectives. Next, we take the deliverables and move to the next process of manage project knowledge. In this process of manage project knowledge, or in short MPK, we do continuous knowledge management. That is, we use the existing knowledge and create new knowledge. The deliverable acts as an input because many times deliverables will be codified, have codified knowledge, or knowledge will be codified into the deliverables. And also the project management plan will be acting as an input to the process of MPK. And the key output of MPK will be the lessons learned register. The lessons learned register will contain the lessons learned throughout the life cycle of the project or the phase. So first time, the lessons learned register, or LLR, is created in MPK process, and it is updated throughout the life cycle of the project. Our next process is monitor and control project work, or in short MCPW. This process reviews the progress against expected performance. That is, we have a planned performance, and in this process we find out the actual performance. So the review of the project progress against the expected performance is done in the process of MCPW, which is the umbrella monitoring and control processes. That is, this process sits on top of all other MMC processes in rest of the 9 knowledge areas. Our next process is perform integrated change control, or the process of PIC, PICC, pronounced as PIC. This process reviews all change requests, or CR. The change request typically comes most of the time from the MNC processes and most of the executing processes. It is also possible the CRs can come from other processes as well. And all this CR act as input to this process of PICC, where the change control board is sitting. The change control board might approve the CR or reject the CR. If the CR is approved, then you will have output of approved change request, which is coming from the PICC process. And the approved CR will be implemented in the previous process of direct and manage project work process. And our last process is close project or phase. This process closes the project or phase of a project. The final sign off and closure on the project happens in this process. Also, the contracts are formally closed in this process of close project or phase. And the key output here is the final product or service or result, which is the definition of a project, a temporary endeavor to create a unique product, service or result. That is all. This is how the 7 processes of integration management knowledge area interact with each other.